What's up, guys? In today's video I will be showing you my 100 subscriber play button. Now it is custom 3D printed, not official, but it still looks really cool. So if you enjoy it, then maybe subscribe so I could get to 1,000. Alright. There. Oh, camera. There. Okay. You could kind of see where they 3D printed it. It's all, but it looks cool. Has my channel name on it. It has 100 subscribers. It looks real, but it's not. Anyway, on the back, there's a little hook that you could hang it on, and I like this back texture. I don't know why. It just looks pretty cool. Got the big red YouTube logo in the middle. And that's really about it. There's not much more to say about it, but it looks cool. I think it looks cool anyway. It's pretty thick, so if you wanted to stand it up, you could, but it doesn't really stand up on the floor because, yeah. But if you put it on something, it should stand up. So, yeah. Not much more to say about it. It's just a cool little thing to have, I'll put it with all my other YouTube stuff. Well, not YouTube stuff, but with my YouTube logo. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching this video, and I hope you enjoy.